Okay, so it is 4:45. I don't know how I'm gonna start this bike and not wake up everybody. I think I'm just gonna be a considerate neighbor and turn it on while rolling. What is that? I think that's the most responsible thing to do. Put it in gear. Roll. And we'll let it idle. Got half tank, so I gotta go to the petrol station. So yeah, meeting up with the boys. Well, we wanted to mend them. Meeting up with Mr. 50. Gonna head down to the beach. It's supposed to be a 40-degree day, and we want to get there early before the beach gets way too busy and before it ends up being actually too hot to jump on the bike, because bro, no one wants to jump on the bike on a 40-degree day. Absolutely cooked. So we'll go get petrol. So now let's head over to 50 and start the day. Surprisingly, it's actually got a decent amount of people out for 5 o'clock. I mean, I guess, but it is a Saturday as well, so a bit random. Bro, where's bro going? I feel like bro was trying to race me off the line. Obviously got gapped. I know Prius breeding this. Did a little flyby of shame. Bro, it's genuinely not even cold. Like, I put the jumper on thinking like, yo, 4 or 5 a.m. It's gonna be, like, it'd be better just to wear the jacket or jumper because we're a bit chilly. Bro, it might be too hot for a jumper. And then on top of that, I'm gonna have to chuck this in the bag on the ride back because it's definitely gonna be way too hot for that. It's gonna be extra weight in my backpack. That's so shit. But whatever. And we're off, boys. Oh, bro. Now we'll wait for Mr. 50 to catch up. Alright, see, this is why if you can't have your phone mounted on the handlebars, you need to invest in an Apple Watch and summer gloves. Because I had winter gloves, and obviously the watch sits under it. But when you've got an Apple Watch, at least if you can't have your phone on the handlebar, you're able to just see where you're going, give you directions, bro. Because I don't understand how they expect you to get around when you don't know where anything is. When you're going to new places, like what they want you to pull over like 16 times just to check where you are. Goes this way. I'm gonna turn right onto City Road. Alright. Oh, look at the Lambos. Whoa. And it's a Volkswagen dealer up top. It's actually so depressing. Alright. Now I can't fucking see the maps because this just stopped working. It keeps telling me that the noise is too loud. It's telling me it's gonna cause hearing damage, bro. Ah, bro. Look at that view, boys. Well, well. Um, so if you guys, don't live under a rock, you guys would know. Bro, look how busy it is. And it's like just 5 to 6. Bro, there's the view's here, but I'm the view as well. I can't tell which one's better, this one or this one. But there's so many. Bro, I'm gonna need water when I get to the gym. Yeah. Why are they all there? That's what happens when you're a big cunt like me. Now, I don't know if this tunnel has cameras or not, but considering that here in Sydney, they fucking put, considering here in Sydney they put cameras everywhere they could manage to fit them, definitely wouldn't be surprised at all. Oh damn, bro, that view is sick. Well, doesn't get too much better than that, boys. That's pretty good. Right, this is cool. This is so fun.